Here we go, the first fish of the day will be a small rainbow. Wow, that's a solid fish on the soft bait. Looks like a big rainbow. Very nice, beautiful fish. Fishing a river on the North Island of New Zealand. It's springtime. And it had been so far a quite hard day with not too much action. So I'm happy to catch that one. Very nice fish, very well conditioned. Fishing with a 4 kg or 8 pound tippet, so you can't completely overdo it. Okay, let's land here. Oh, it fucking broke my fucking fishing rod. Are you kidding? What a fucking day. Oh well, here's the fishing rod, broken. And broke the line. And my soft bait is gone. My rod is done. The soft bait is gone. Okay guys, after I managed to break my fishing rod off, I found 2 plasters, so I fixed it. Seems to be pretty good, so let's see if we can catch a fish with the repaired rod. Oh, she followed the spinner one time, didn't want it, stood back there. I passed twice, and on the third time she grabbed the spinner. Another nice rainbow, fishing with my broken rod and DIY self-repair kit with some plasters. Does the trick. I didn't want the soft bait anymore, so I changed to a spinner, and that seems to work very nice. So we need to be careful with that broken rod tip. I'm not gonna exaggerate it.